We have a video that I actually wasn't expecting to make for a little while, but I saw this product and was like, you know what? This actually is something I've been looking to buy and just haven't gotten around to it. So this is the fitxamx dash cam, and it is 4K Ultra for the front and 1080p for the rear, and it's app based, so that makes everything super convenient because there's no like, what do you call it? Like a lot of these dash cams and stuff like that, you have to like keep like the screen and everything like that inside the car, or it'll have like a big screen, or the screen will integrate into the entertainment system and stuff like that. And some of the times that's like inconvenient because you just want the footage. So instead of having to deal with all that, you can have a nice, sleek OEM looking finish. And the fitxamx, like it says, ideal for driving, because for damn sure it is. It's super convenient. So give me 1 second to actually open the box and I'll show you what comes in it. I was told it's a super quick setup because by the way it is, you just pop this thingy off, plug it into the control thingy for the home link, and then you just snake the rear camera around to the back, and that's about it. So we're about to try that right now. We may actually wait to put the rear on just to make sure that everything works first, but with this little bit of decent weather we have right now, we're gonna give it a go. So give me a few minutes. I'm about to open the box, show you what we have inside, and then get to installing it. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention is there's going to be a link in the description so you can save a whole bunch of money on this setup, because this is super worth it and it's super affordable. If you just want the front one, it's going to be less than 150 bucks. And if you want both front and rear, it's going to be less than 250 bucks. So that's perfect, because especially something that integrates into your modern phone and everything like that, or your tablet or your laptop or anything like that that can have an app, or if you have the Mr. 12-volt system in your M3 or whatever e-chassis vehicle, it can connect to that if you want it to be on the screen for the vehicle itself. So definitely look in the description for that, and if possible I'll also put one of the links in either corner. I don't know where they go, but I know it's somewhere in one of the corners in that little circle. So 1 second. When you open the box, it comes with two sections, says accessories. So pop that open. Oh, it does actually come with a pry tool. Comes with a USB-C adapter for the memory card, USB-C, and the micro SD. It has this splitter right here. Not 100% sure what this is for. This may be a splitter for the front and the rear, but I guess we'll figure that out. Comes with a pry tool. I thought you needed your own, so I did buy a set of pry tools, but they got that covered for you, so don't need that. So let's see what's in the other box. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So this feels like it's the main part here, and this other section here. So we'll dash both of those on the side, no pun, because it's a dash cam. And, oops, I accidentally dropped it. But, alright, give me 1 second. So, in the bigger bag, you have the camera thing here. So, here's that. And then this is the rear camera. And it has 3 M pads in here, so it looks super simple because there's only a couple parts. So I do believe you have to just unclip this. Then you unclip this right here. Then you just clip it on and it looks like OEM. So we're about to try it and see. So it's going to be hard to see because it's hard to record. But I just put the pry tool in here and twisted like this and it popped open. So these just come off. Yeah. I don't think I broke anything. Hopefully I didn't. But those just come right off, I think. Give me a second. So turn the mirror like this to the side. There's a cable that goes up into the top of the, I believe this is the home link dongle. So you put the splitter on there, and you plug the other side of the splitter from the fitxamx thing up here. It's really hard to do, especially if you're like myself with really big hands. So just take your time, but it'll all go in. So boom, the thing is connected right here. Let me see if it would also be a little bit better if it was actually dark out installing this, because the light behind makes it hard to see. But yeah, here is the cable right here. So we will continue with the instructions and figure it out, because I am watching the video, but it's hard to see. They have an instruction manual thingy on the user manual. So give me a few minutes and we'll keep going, and I'll let you guys know some tips and tricks, because it doesn't really show like moving this mirror out the way like that, so there's space behind. So you plug in this dongle right here from the splitter into the camera on this wire here, and then this here is for the rear camera. So I'm pretty sure you put it up like this, tuck the wires through, and then they go out through this hole here, well, on the fitxamx version, but I'll do it in a second and show you guys what it looks like, because it's hard to record me doing it. Okay, so the rear camera does not go through there. That's the backup mirror.
Pando killed the beat. Pando made it.
So you go here, Android or Galaxy, download the respective app, download it here, open it, agree, phone location, connect the camera with Wi-Fi. So here's Wi-Fi, and Sword 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's see It's usually 1/8. I mean 8 ones, 8 zeros, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for all of these kind of devices. So it's connected. Internet and not available. Allow switch. Wait, no. Connect. Stay connected. Oh, so look at that. It's on. Please format memory card through camera settings. Camera settings.